Let's start. The first one. You should clean the house. It's time for test. It's ready for test. When you clean your home, it will be nice and clean. Cleaning for Tet. They are ready to clean. Tet is have so many work to do. You should make all many work. The next one is the knitting, a fresh start. Wow. You should clean the door, clean the window, chair, TV, but don't clean here. It's broke. You can't watch, but I can watch. Clean here. So many kinds of work. Buy candy. Buy something you like. And when you clean the door, when you clean that circle, it can open. You look outside, so beautiful. It's time for Tet. And the next one is busy cleaning. Oh, you have so many works to do it. And you should sleep the floor, and cleaning all the things you like. Story, game, teddy bear. But teddy bear don't take away. This one is fall down. Oh. There's so many works to do. You sweep the floor, cleaning the floor, wash the steps, and you should clean your bed. I think the clean bed, it can clean this one. When I'm 4 years old or I'm 5 years old, when I should clean all this one. This, the door, window. Oh, so many things I should do. And window too. I sweep the floor. Clean the floor. Oh, so many works I have to do. You can take fruits to eat. And one tip, you should clean the leaf too. And water the leaf, water the flower. Oh, so many things you should do. Don't say, I'm tired, I can't do it. Try again. Tet will have be so many things. And the next one is Did you have many works? Ted, I have so many works. Clean the table. You can clean floor by towel, but be careful when you go on the floor. You don't be careful. And the last one is brings good luck. Ted, you should be fun. When you clean the door, window, all things you should clean. Oh, I'm so tired when I'm cleaning up Tate. What's the Tate? Tate is not sounds like Tate. You have all things you do, but when you say I'm tired, you should say try again. I will do it. Today we are going to talk about cleaning for Ted, and I'm so happy to learn this one. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.